Imagine having a conversation with a computer. Sounds fascinating, right? That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It understands and generates human-like text. It's designed to assist with various tasks. This includes answering questions, writing essays, and even creating stories. So, how does it work? First, it learns from vast amounts of text data. Next, it recognizes patterns and structures in language. Finally, it generates responses based on those patterns. Picture it as a smart assistant that learns from every interaction. For example, you can ask, "What's the weather today?" and receive a detailed answer in seconds. Remember, it's not perfect. Sometimes it may give incorrect or nonsensical answers. But its ability to converse is impressive. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool. It can help you write, brainstorm, or find answers quickly. Want to explore ChatGPT more? Try asking it a question today.